Good afternoon, it's Julian from Anchor Cars. Just thought I'd send you the video of the Polo. Thank you for your inquiry. Absolutely lovely car. We just recently had it cleaned yesterday. 5-door. Automatic gearbox, as you can see. Height adjuster on the passenger side. The wheels are in really good condition. Overall, it is a really nice looking car, to be fair. Rear parking sensors. There is a proper spare wheel, which is a bonus. Locking wheel nuts all present in there. I just noticed from the inquiry that we didn't have a phone number for you. So just wondering if you can send that to me. I'm in all weekend. I'm in on Saturday and Sunday. So I'll be more than happy to see you. Also got front parking sensors as well. So pretty nice spec. Has the auto headlights. It's got Bluetooth. Paddle shift. It's got cruise control. Air conditioning. DSG gearbox. All in all, very nicely presented car. And like I say, if you could send me your telephone number, replying to the email I'm going to send the video on, that would be absolutely amazing. Thank you.